By the end of 2026, an estimated 85 million job roles will be disrupted or fully automated by AI. That's not a warning from some think tank. That's from the World Economic Forum, and the timeline just got moved up. But here's the thing. Most people miss entirely. Every single tool doing that disrupting, it's available to you right now for under $100 a month. So while some people are worried about AI taking their job, the smartest entrepreneurs and freelancers are using these exact tools to do the work of a 5-person team alone. I've spent the last 3 months testing tools across 10 different job categories, and what I found genuinely shocked me. Let's get into it. 1. Copywriters. Let's start with the one that's been getting headlines for 2 years but has now fully matured into a legitimate replacement. AI copywriting in 2026 isn't the clunky robotic output it was in 2022. We're talking about tools that understand brand voice, write long-form sales pages, email sequences, ad copy, and product descriptions, all at a level that's genuinely hard to distinguish from a seasoned human writer. The tool I keep coming back to is Jasper AI. I've run it head-to-head against copy from actual freelance copywriters charging $500 per project. With the right prompts and brand voice setup, Jasper competes, and it delivers in minutes, not days. If you're running a business that needs consistent written content, the link in the description will get you started. I use it almost every day. Now, does this mean every copywriter is out of a job? No. But the ones charging for volume-based work, blog posts, product listings, basic email sequences, that market is getting extremely competitive, extremely fast. 2. Content strategists. Here's a role nobody's talking about enough. AI tools like Surfer SEO combined with language models are now building entire content strategies, keyword clusters, content calendars, competitive gap analysis in under an hour. What used to take a strategist a full week of research is now a Wednesday afternoon task you can delegate to a 49-month subscription. 3. Video editors. This one hit me personally because I used to outsource video editing. Not anymore. Tools like Pictory have completely changed how I produce content. You paste in a script or a blog post, and Pictory builds a fully edited video with stock footage, captions, and music automatically. For faceless YouTube channels, explainer videos, social clips, and marketing content, this is genuinely a one-person operation now. I've used Pictory to turn a 2,000-word article into a publish-ready video in about 20 minutes. If you're building a content business and you're still paying an editor by the hour, check the description link. It will change your workflow. The mid-level video editor who handles template-based corporate content, that role is going away. The high-end cinematic editor doing storytelling and color work, still safe for now. 4. Voice actors. Okay, this is the one that makes people uncomfortable, and I get it. 11 Labs is producing AI voices that are genuinely indistinguishable from human professionals in a blind test. I've run that test multiple times. The results were uncomfortable. For explainer videos, audiobooks, podcast intros, e-learning content, ad voiceovers, 11 Labs is replacing the standard commercial voice actor market. You can clone a voice, build a custom AI persona, or choose from hundreds of pre-built voices. The quality in 2026 is miles ahead of where it was even 18 months ago. Link is in the description. This one's worth the free trial alone. Again, top-tier performance voice work, character acting, celebrity campaigns, not replaced, but the $150 per project explainer voiceover, that market is largely gone. 5. Customer support representatives. This replacement isn't coming. It's done. AI-powered support bots using large language models now handle Tier 1 and Tier 2 customer service at major companies with a satisfaction rate that's matching, and in some cases beating, human agents. Tools like Intercom's FinAI and Zendesk's AI Suite are handling tens of thousands of tickets per month with 0 human touchpoints. If you're a freelancer offering customer support services, the pivot needs to happen now, toward AI implementation consulting, not ticket management. Data entry specialists. I'll keep this one short because it almost doesn't need explanation. Any role that involves taking structured information from one place and putting it somewhere else, AI does that better, faster, and cheaper. Tools like Zapier AI, Make, and Microsoft Copilot are eliminating entire data entry workflows in SMBs right now. 7. Market research analysts. Here's one that surprises people. AI agents can now go out, scrape competitor pricing, analyze customer sentiment across review platforms, pull industry reports, synthesize findings, and hand you a formatted brief in the time it takes you to make a coffee. Tools like Perplexity Pro, combined with custom GPT workflows, have compressed what used to be a week of analyst work into a 30-minute prompt chain. For entrepreneurs running lean operations, this is pure leverage. 8. Graphic designers, production tier. Before designers come after me in the comments, hear me out. I'm not saying design is dead. I'm saying a specific tier of design work is being automated. Social media post templates, ad creatives, product mockups, basic brand assets, tools like Canva AI, Adobe Firefly, and Midjourney are now handling this category at a price point of essentially zero. The designers winning in 2026 are the ones who use these tools as force multipliers, not the ones competing against them on price. 9. Translators and localization specialists. DeepL and GPT-4o's multilingual output have reached a quality level that's making the standard translation services market nearly impossible to sustain. Legal, medical, and highly technical translation still needs human oversight, but standard content localization and website copy, marketing materials, product descriptions across languages, that's now a software function, not a freelance invoice. 10. Junior developers. Specific tasks. And here's the spicy one. GitHub Copilot, Cursor AI, and Devin, the world's first fully autonomous AI software engineer, are handling bug fixes, boilerplate code, API integrations, and even small feature builds with minimal human direction. Junior dev roles that focus on repetitive coding tasks are under serious pressure. The developers who understand how to architect systems, review AI output for security and logic, and build with AI as a co-pilot, they're actually getting more valuable. The gap between a senior dev and a junior dev who relies on memorization, that gap just tripled. So what do you do with this information? Here's the honest take. Every single replacement on this list is also an opportunity. If a tool replaces a copywriter, you can become someone who delivers copywriting results using that tool, faster and cheaper than any agency. If AI replaces video editors, you can build a content production service using Pictory that delivers in 24 hours what took your competitors a week. The window for early advantage with these tools is still open, but it's closing. The entrepreneurs who are winning in 2026 are not the ones asking, will AI take my job? They're asking, which job can I now do alone that used to require a team? All 3 tools I mentioned, Jasper, Pictory, and 11 Labs, have links in the description below. I've personally tested all of them. None of them paid me to say that, though they do give me a small commission if you sign up through my link, which helps keep this channel running. If you found this useful, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this video reach more people. Subscribe if you want weekly breakdowns of the AI tools actually worth your time. And drop in the comments, which role on this list surprised you most? I read every single one. See you in the next one.